I've suffered with I need a new knee, and I've suffered with pain for about 5 years now with my knee. And the last 2 years have just been absolutely were excruciating pain. I would be up 5 or 6 times a night. So I eventually went to the doctors and to the hospital, and they found out that I need a new knee replacement. But because of my age, they advised that they don't like doing it till I'm in my 60s. You know, so more or less said, you know, do you mind suffering with the pain? So, well, what can I do? So I decided not to have anything done. And the last couple of years, I've suffered absolutely excruciating pain, and 5 or 6 times a night I was up walking around the room, just not knowing what to do with myself. So we were literally going to Gran Canaria, and I said to Mick, when I come back from Gran Canaria, because they told me that I can go back, and if I want it done, I can get it done. So I said to Mick, I don't care that it lasts 10 years, I'm just going to go and have it done. If I have to have another one in 10 years, I'll do it again. So that was my attitude. In the meantime, somebody approached Mick to talk about the seed product, and he saw it as something that would help me. To be honest, I wasn't particularly interested, but you know, it was lovely that he thought of me. So, but when we came back from Gran Canaria, I had intention to go and have a new knee. He asked me if I would try the product, try the seeds to see whether it would help. And he said to me, look, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so what have we got to lose? So I gave in and said, okay.
So although I do Reiki, I'm not adverse to having pain myself. And so I was getting cramps in the middle of the night. I'd wake up in excruciating pain, calf, thigh, toes, and I'd be out of bed as if I'd been shot. And I just needed to find something that would help. And then I found seed nutrition. So that helped me tremendously, and in fact it stopped my cramps. And then I found that would probably be best to help the people that I help with my Reiki.
Nobody's body is deficient in a pharmaceutical drug. Nobody's. A pharmaceutical drug does not, it's a toxin actually to our body. You know, using pharmaceutical drugs is literally just dealing with symptoms and not dealing with cause. We have to deal with cause, and cause is deficiencies. We need to fix that. And so that's what I'm teaching people, and when people take that on board, they can sometimes get incredibly fast results. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but they're giving the body what it needs to self-heal. And once your body has the tools, it will heal from almost anything. Even doctors that say they can't do anything, nothing can be done. Actually, nothing can be done with a pharmaceutical drug, maybe, but with the right nutrition, miracles can happen.
When I think about the amount of pain that I suffered, it was so bad that we had a manual car, and when Mick and I were out driving, I literally could not drive because I couldn't move the clutch with my knee because it was so painful. So we even had to go to the extent of changing the car from a manual to an automatic. That's how bad the pain was.
A couple of months ago, I was in a bad place. I was feeling very down. I have to stop there now. I had an outbreak of acne on my chest and my arms and my back. Also around this time I was having problems with my balance and I kept falling down. I was introduced to the seed by my husband Larry because he was using it because he had severe cramps. When I went to the physiotherapist, he gave me a set of exercises and balancing. I had to balance on one leg for 30 seconds. I could only manage 1 second on the left and 2 seconds on the right. Anyway, he sent me another set of exercises and I went home and did those. Second visit, I came back and I was a lot stronger. On my third visit, he told me that I looked amazing. I did my exercise in front of him. I stood on a cushion, which was extremely hard, and I balanced for 30 seconds on one leg and 40 seconds on the other. And he was really impressed because he said he thought it would take me a year to get my balance back.
I then took another sachet because I was advised to take 2 a day. Took the other sachet in the morning. Then when I went to bed that night, I took another sachet. The next morning, again, I'd gone through the night. The next morning, I woke up with no pain. The pain had gone.